kanti indawo lesenza
uthini awuphinda amazwi akho ngibhekeni
uma besufuna bengasho ukuthi phuma bengithi ufunani ngi-live ama-live awethu thina iy'ngane
yabona ukuthi into enza ngene la ukuthi awuyenzanga into engikade ngiyifuna ingakho-ke sengila
ongikhulumile naye futhi uzongifonela ntambama
yayibona-ke ingakho-ke ngivane ngathi awuthi ngingenela kakhulu kodwa ngivane ngiwushintshe umcimbi
kunetha kakhulu yini lapho sobona kulungile
manje ngihamba le moto lathi obanzi mfikisa late izomfikisa late
thathe kwanta
hawu ngeke impumelelo ngizostaka nequantum udakeni ngiyasaba
angazi alright bye phuma ngi-live mfethu.
Hello guys and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it guys. So it seems like Umayeni uthume Umpumelelo to do something for her and Umpumelelo just decided to do owakhe nje okusekhanda lakhe. So Umpumelelo just went live on Instagram. Umayeni wabona ukuthi hawu umuntu ngimthumile mina yena usebhizi lapha ngama live ku Instagram like kodwa guys how could he ethunyiwe yena abese siyakuba live ku Instagram engakaphenduki lempendulo ukuthi asho ukuthi hayi lapha nakusuke kwahamba so Umayeni just entered uvele wangena nje ku live kaMpumelelo wazothi hawu Mpumelelo phela ngikuthumile mina ukuthi wenze uABCD wena nangu la ku live kusho ukuthi sokumele ngikulande khona ku live ngizobuza impendulo. So there is a time where Umayeni once said that Umpumelelo nje ufana le furniture endlini omela ukuthi uyabuyiphakamisa mawuklina uyibisele lapha ehlala khona just because he literally does nothing. And that time when she was saying that she was really angry and ekhuluma la Impumelelo ethi kuMpumelelo kumele ubonise ukuthi you are the big brother omnini abonele kuwe. Umayeni imoto yakhe ayigezwanga Umpumelelo ekhona kambe ubhuti omkhulu kangaka. So guys I don't know, it says a lot for ukuthi Umayeni aze angene ku live kaMpumelelo azothi how ngikuthumile phela. It means that that's a behavior that he is always doing, also given the fact that it's not the first time. Let's hope he's going to do better. And another thing that I was just thinking, ukuthi yabo it's not even like, I don't know man, do they get money on those lives? Because I'm thinking ukuthi Umayeni if she knew ukuthi maybe Mpumelelo he's making money there, maybe she was going to say let me just leave him aqede and then I can talk to him when he's done. But because maybe she knows that kuyafana na we live yakhona, it's not like she is gonna get anything on the Instagram live, because remember Umayeni uhlezi nje khulume ethina i-source of income kaMpumelelo akayazi, Umpumelelo nje akana source of income hlezi etsho njalo Umayeni. So I think the source of income that we all know of is from Ingane Zesithembu. But anyways, please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.